Hello guys, my name is Suraj Pratap and welcome to my channel. Today I am reviewing Video Tours 360 Ultimate. So basically this is a brand new world's first virtual tour builder with built-in live video plus e-commerce plus gamification plus artificial intelligence. So normally you can say that it's a virtual tour builder. So if you are interested in this Video Tours 360 Ultimate, then stick with me and watch this full review video till the end, because today I am giving my premium bonuses for free guys to those people who are going to buy this software with my link which is given in the description guys. So now it's time to know about this product and also my bonuses. So guys, when you click the link which is in the description, you come here on my bonus page. As you can see guys, my insane bonus bundle of Video Tours 360 Ultimate. So guys, when you scroll down, you can see here is the image of the video tour and some information. You can read this guys for your own. And here are the prices and upsells guys. We talk later about the prices. First I want to show you some key benefits of this software guys. So I'm going to read this for you. And the first key benefit of this video tour is guys, assigned video chat time to tours and client accounts. So guys, in this software you can chat with your clients and also your client can make their accounts. So guys, the second key benefit is full tour download host on your server. So you can also download whole tour guys. And the third key benefit is robust analytics dashboard, monitor tour views, scan views, hotspot clicks, email subscription, orders and etc. So guys, with this software you can also analyze your emails and hotspot clicks and orders and etc. guys. So the fourth key benefit is guys, multi-language system, 108 languages. So in this video tour builder you are getting 108 different languages guys. And another key benefit is duplicate and save hotspot as a template. So guys, you can also save and duplicate the hotspots as a template. And the another one is autopilot tour presentation. You can also take your present tour on autopilot guys with this software. And the another key benefit is guys, before and after tour scans. So with this software your client will also see the before and after the tours guys. And the last one is guys, integration with Google Street View, Realtor.com, Trulia, Calendly and etc. So you can also integrate this software with these platforms guys. So guys, these all are the key benefits of video tour builder. So now it's time to know about more this software guys. So when you scroll more guys, here you can see a demo video of this software, that how this software is works. You can also watch this demo video guys. And now it's time to know about my bonuses guys. So my first bonus is how to explode your YouTube channel, and its value is guys $799. So guys, we all know that in today's period YouTube is booming. So I think if you are also interested in YouTube and wanting to create your channel, then this will help you a lot guys, because it also helps me explode my YouTube channel, and I think it also help you guys. And my second bonus is Bing Ads Mastery Training, and its value is $699. So guys, with this bonus you are going to learn how you can run Bing Ads successfully and also your campaigns and get more sales and generate more revenue guys. Another bonus is Ultimate Traffic Mantra, and its value is $997. So guys, with this bonus you can learn how you can drive crazy traffic to your offers and how you can generate more sales with these traffic guys. And the another bonus is how to build a WordPress site, and its value is $599. So guys, with this bonus you are going to learn how you can make your own website with WordPress, and everything ups and downs you can learn in this bonus guys. And the last bonus is guys, which is a special bonus, and its value is $2,997 guys. And this bonus is giving to you by the vendor guys. So I'm also show you the vendors bonuses guys. So here are the guys vendors bonuses. Bonus one is ready made local niche graphics bundle. So in this bonus bundle you are getting lots of local niches graphics guys. And the second bonus is guard down sales script. So guys, with this bonus you are getting sales script. And the third bonus is 263 exclusive 360 panoramic images for personal and commercial use. So guys, with bonus 3 you are getting lots of images, and you can use these images for your personal or commercial use also guys. And the another bonus is guys 2 million plus stock and transparent images collection. So guys, in this bonus bundle you are getting 2 million plus images collection, and you can also use these images to your commercial guys for your own work. And that's it guys, these all 4 bonuses are given to you by the vendors. And also don't forget my premium bonuses, which was also very precious guys. And these all bonuses you are getting for free guys. But one thing guys, if you buy this software with my link, then only you can get these all my bonuses guys. If you buy this software with another link, then you can also access the vendors bonuses, not my bonuses guys. So that's it. Now it's time to know how you can buy this software guys. So guys, when you click the link which is in the description, you come here on my bonus page, as you can see guys. So here when you scroll down you can see there are some yellow buttons. So you have to click one of these yellow buttons, and when you click one of these yellow buttons, you come here on the sales page of this video builder guys. You can see here is the demo video video tour 360, and here is a button guys. You can see click here to claim your free copy. When you click this button you have to pay the price of this software, and the software is yours. So guys, now you are thinking that how you can get these bonuses, all vendors bonuses and also my bonuses. So guys, when you buy this software with my link which is in the description guys, so when you buy this software you can access the vendors bonuses in the members area. And when you buy this software with my link, you have to go to your Warrior Plus dashboard and on your purchase history. So when you go to your purchase history on Warrior Plus, you have to select the product's name, which is Video Tour 360 Ultimate. And here you can see the interface looks like that guys. And here is a button which is access affiliate bonus. So guys, when you click this button you can automatically download all my premium bonuses for free of cost. So guys, now it's time to know about the prices of this software and upsells. So guys, the front end price of this Video Tours 360 is $37, and audio one, which is Video Tours 360 Pro Unlimited, its price is guys $37 per month and $197 per year. And audio 2, which is Video Tour 360 Agency and Consultant Toolkit, its price is guys $47. And audio 3, which is Ultimate Software and Digital Agency Package, and it's a 1 mega deal guys, and its price is $197. And $297 and $497 are guys upsells and downsells of this audio 3 is and the last one is Audio 4, which is Video Tours 360 Reseller Bundle Package, and its price is guys $197, $297, and $497 guys. So guys, these prices are varies on the quality and also quantity. So when you choose one of these, you have to pay for that. So guys, I think I told you enough about this software, which is Video Tour 360 Ultimate. So if you are interested in this software and want to buy this software, then also don't forget my premium bonuses guys, and the link is in the description guys. So if you like this video, then give me a thumbs up, and I also comment down below that you like this video or not, and also subscribe to my channel guys, and also share this video with your friends. So have a nice day. Thank you.